Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 14th of March. So I'd like us to start our analysis with the chart on my screen. I'm using three indicators. Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Sorry about that. So I do have a resistance. I do have two indicators actually. I do have this one here, and then I have this moving average. This is 52 period moving average. Then I have these arrows here. So red means we are in a sell. Green means we are in a buy. So we're supposed to buy when the red shows up like this arrow. When it shows up, this is a sign that you're supposed to look for sell positions. So as it is right now, we're looking forward for more sell positions. We are expecting sellers to continue to push price down after this signal showed up. We are expecting more sell positions. We expect price to continue to sell off at least up to this level here. This is 1.08316. So the price needs to continue down. We basically just want to see a clear break below this low 1.09020. If the price can break below this point, then we want to see some retracement after the breakout before the price can extend down at least up to this point 1.08316. The next instrument which I'd like us to have a look at is GBP USD. We have it here. So overall we have a downtrend based on this indicator. You can see that this is indicating a sell. We have a level here, a very good support level. So basically the indicator which we are using gave us a signal earlier, because we had a sell signal here, but the support was actually around this area. So normally if you were just trading without the indicator, you could have waited for price to break below. Maybe you could have sold here, but as you can see, there was a sell signal here. The price is above the moving average. It's that which now pushed the price to the losses. So as it is now, this is still a sell. We are still expecting sellers to continue to push price down. If the price pulls back up, then this will act as the best place to look for a sell from. My next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is bullish. We are in a very good uptrend. You can see that here. So we had an arrow here for a buy based on the first indicator, but the moving average actually gave us a buy around this point here. So technically we could have taken a buy after this breakout here, after the price has gone above this moving average, which means we could be in a buy as we're speaking now. There was another buy here. This sell is not valid because the moving average is not supporting the same position. So this is a very good uptrend. We have a very good uptrend here. If you check the forward chart, it's still the same thing. We are upwards. So we have this here, and then you have this one. So this is like a good support. We have a support here. There's this breakout. So as we are speaking now, as we are looking at this chart now, this chart is very much bullish. So therefore only buy positions look very much ideal. So you keep looking for more buy orders, expecting price to continue even higher. The next instrument is gold. So gold, so far it looks like the price is giving us some signs for a sell. We are still above the moving average. If you check this moving average indicator, you can see that the price has barely gone clearly below it, but we do have a sell arrow based on the second indicator. So this could be a sign that sellers are possibly coming in on this chart. We do have a very good support here. We expect price to break below this level clearly. We do expect price to clearly break below it, 1960.48. We do expect price to break below this point before it can extend to the lower side, at least up to this point here. So keep looking for sell orders, keep looking for more sell positions, expecting price to continue downwards, at least up to this point, 1886.34. My next symbol I want us to look at is the Brent one. So we during the previous week we saw some serious moves on the Brent oil. The price did go massively to the upper side before it pulled back down. So if you remember what we saw last week, you can see we had a very good level there. We had another level there, and then we had another level here, then we had another level here. So if you remember what I mentioned, I actually said that while the price was below this level, when the price was upwards and it's coming back back to this point here, you remember I did say clearly that this is the correct place to look for a sell from. If you don't say pick it here, you could still have sold it somewhere around 144.440. So you either sold it here, or you may want to wait and sell it when the price gets to this point here, or you may want to sell it when the price breaks below 99.081. The next symbol is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, the price is headed straight to the lower side, upward, sorry. SP500 is very, very bullish. So we do recommend that you keep looking for more buy positions. We recommend that you keep looking for more buy orders. Despite the fact that there is some corrections on this chart, we are still looking for more possibility for buy orders. So we have a support here, we have a support here. We have a support here, have a support here. If the price can come down and touch this point, then this will give us a correct place to look for a sell from. So we want to see price come back to this point here and then touch this point before we can continue looking for more buy positions. So this will give us the correct place to buy from with our target here. The next target is here, then the next target is this one. So we'll have this here as a place to buy from up to this point. Then the next target is this one, and then the next target is 4820.7. So despite the fact that the indicator, the lower indicator is giving us a buy, we are still strictly, the lower indicator is giving us a sell. We are strictly biased on this chart. Our targets are this one, and the last one. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.